Welcome to Mr. Office Excel Daily 1-Minute Tips. Today's tip, using the if function. Let's determine whether students have passed or failed based on their scores. If a student's score is greater than or equal to 60, they have passed. To do this, we'll use the if function. Select cell D2, type the formula. Equal, if C2. Greater than, and equal, 60. If true, it returns yes. And, if false, it returns no. Press Enter. Now, drag the fill handle from D2 down to D11 to apply the formula to the entire column. You can now see who has passed and who has failed. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily Excel tips. See you tomorrow with another tip.